Toto Cradle Automated Lateral Patient Turning System. This quick reference guide has been produced to assist healthcare professionals and other users with the functional aspects of the system. This guide does not replace the general safety warnings, cautions, and recommendations provided in the Toto Cradle Lateral Turning System with Toto Touch Control Unit User Guide. Toto Cradle is an automatic lateral turning system designed to assist with patient turning, consisting of a digital control unit and turning platform, which is fitted beneath the patient's mattress. Toto Cradle automatically turns patients, relieving pressure over their most vulnerable areas. Toto System Installation. Unlike other patient turning systems, Toto Cradle provides regular and consistent complete body turning in a lightweight, easy-to-use setup and access format. Place and centralize the platform directly onto the bed frame with the foot symbol at the foot end of the bed, and then place the mattress or mattress system directly on top. The platform should be free to inflate. Please ensure that each side of the platform can freely inflate and not be restricted by the mattress or the bed frame. Using the bed hooks located on the rear of the control unit, securely hang on the footboard of the bed. Using the quick connectors, connect the gray inflation hoses to the platform air cell hoses, connecting red to red, connecting black to black. Check the CPR deflation values are securely in place. In an emergency, using the CPR deflation valve allows for rapid system deflation by firmly pulling the yellow tab. Connect to power outlet via the power lead supplied. To turn the unit on, press and hold the Start-Stop button for 3 seconds until the LED is illuminated. The default settings are air cell side selection left and right, air cell inflation time for 120 minutes, air cell rest time supine for 120 minutes. To change the default settings, press the button to scroll through the LED lit options until you have arrived at your preferred choice. A healthcare professional should determine inflation and restorations. Air cell inflation begins, and each side remains inflated for the duration that is selected. If the control unit is turned off, it reverts to the default settings when switched back on. Reselect the preferred options using the above instructions. Therapy pause mode can be engaged by quick pressing the Start-Stop button. This temporarily deactivates all control unit functions, returning the platform to a flat position. Press the Start-Stop button, a single beep confirms activation. The currently selected side selection, inflate, and rest time LEDs flash when active. For safety, the alarm activates after 10 minutes. To continue in this mode for another 10 minutes, press the alarm pause button. Repeat the process until therapy pause mode is no longer required. To deactivate, press the Start-Stop button. A single beep confirms deactivation, and the control unit returns to the previously selected settings. Press the Side Selection button to scroll through the 3 available options. Left and right air cells are selected by default. Right air cells only, left air cells only. Side selection refers to the patient side, as standing at the foot of the bed. The system defaults to both left and right inflation each time the unit is switched on. Air cell inflation time is the length of time the air cells remain inflated. Minimum 30 minutes. Maximum 240 minutes. The system default is set to 120 minutes. The air cell rest time is the length of time that air cells remain deflated and the platform is flat. Minimum 30 minutes. Maximum 240 minutes. The system default is set to 120 minutes. The alarm can be paused for up to 10 minutes while troubleshooting, after which time the alarm recommences if the problem remains. To mute the alarm, press the alarm mute button. The padlock button activates the interface lock. The interface lock prevents any unwanted changes to the control unit settings. Press and hold the padlock LED button confirmed with a single beep. When the interface is locked, only the alarm mute button is operational. To deactivate, press the padlock button. Deactivation is confirmed by the padlock LED turning off and a single beep. The low system pressure alarm indicator LED indicates a potential air leak in the system. The high system pressure alarm indicator LED indicates a potential blockage in the system. The service indicator LED indicates when routine servicing is due. If indicated, please refer to the service manual. If control unit becomes unplugged from the power source, the unplugged alarm will sound and the unplugged LED will light. The service indicator LED indicates when routine servicing is due. If indicated, please refer to the service manual. Position supine patients along with the center line of the mattress by aligning the patient's nose with the center of the headboard. Ensure the head and shoulders are supported, preventing neck rolling and pivoting at the hips. When Toto cradle is deflated and in the flat position, the distance between the top of the uncompressed mattress and the top of the bed rail should be more than 220 millimeters or 8.66 inches. When Toto cradle is deflated and in the flat position, the distance between the top of the uncompressed mattress and the bottom of the bed rail should be less than 8.66 inches. When inflated, assess the distance between the tilted side of the mattress and the bed rail. This should be less than 8.6 inches. Please ensure that the control unit is switched off and unplugged before cleaning begins. All components can be cleaned and decontaminated with either a 0.1% to 1% chlorine-based solution when followed by a thorough rinse with clean water. For further information, please refer to the Toto cradle instructions for use or visit the Frontier Therapeutics website.